You're not broke because you're lazy. You're not stuck because you don't work hard. You're stuck because of habits you don't even notice. Today we break down 7 habits that keep you poor and how to fix them. Most people never build wealth, not because they can't, but because they repeat the same money mistakes every day. No savings, no plan, no progress. It's time to break out. Here are the 7 habits keeping you poor and how to beat them. Habit 1, living beyond your means. You look rich, but your bank account says otherwise. That's the trap, spending more than you earn to impress others. New shoes, new phone, credit card debt. Fix it. Track your spending. Live below your means. Don't try to look rich. Be rich. Habit 2, no emergency fund. One flat tire, and you're broke. That's not bad luck. That's poor planning. Fix it. Save your first $1,000 fast, then build 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's not just savings, it's protection. Habit 3, only one source of income. Depending on one job, dangerous move. Lose it and it's game over. Fix it. Start a side hustle. Freelance, sell a skill, build multiple streams. Get paid even when you're asleep. Habit 4, no financial education. No one taught you how money works, so you guess and hope. But hope won't build wealth. Fix it. Read a finance book. Watch smart creators. Learn about credit, investing, and saving. The more you know, the more you grow. Habit 5, same circle, same results. If your circle isn't leveling up, you probably aren't either. You're the average of your 5 closest people. Fix it. Get around growth-minded people. Online or offline, make leveling up your new normal. Habit 6, impulse spending. That Amazon cart, not urgent, impulse buys drain your future. Fix it. Use the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days. If you still want it, cool. If not, you just saved money. Habit 7, not investing early. Every year you delay investing, you lose time. And time is the magic ingredient. Fix it. Start now. Even with just $50 a month. Use apps like Fidelity or Robinhood. Let compound interest do the work. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about habits. Break these 7, and you don't just avoid poverty, you build freedom. Start today. Stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. Hit subscribe if you're serious about building wealth. This is the Vault Mind, where mindset meets money. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're done playing small.